So this came down really fast. You can see behind me that all that's left are the ribs of the greenhouse and the small sideboard on the end. It's coming down in about 5 days. The crew's been working really hard. I think we might actually finish it.
This December, I decided it's time to tear down the greenhouse. So the reason why we're tearing down our greenhouse is because we have outgrown our small little baby. We put it up in 2011 and now we need a bigger one.
It's the easy part. The hard part should be building a new one. Demolition on this kind of stuff is really easy. It's taken us probably a total of, probably maybe 5 days at the most total, I would say.
This is a pretty big project, so I need a lot of hands. So I've been fortunate, Mr. Mike came out to help me and Mr. Tyler came out to help me tear some of this down. So there's a little bit of urgency in this project. Last year I wanted to try and do it, but it just got way too cold and froze too fast. So we're fortunate this year we had a little bit of window of some warmer weather. So we're able to dismantle it. We're going to grade the property, put some gravel down, and hopefully before it freezes really hard, get the posts in the ground and get the structure up. And I'm just really fortunate to have my boys out here helping me tear down this greenhouse and just seeing how tools work and just to give them some good idea how to use those skills. And of course, like two little redheads, they got a little goofy.
Digging! Keep digging!
Digging a grave!
Hey, careful.
So you ask yourself, what do you do all winter, Farmer Kurt? This is one of those big projects, and once this is done, it's gonna be so awesome. Concrete, oh yeah, concrete in a greenhouse. It's gonna be badass.